The question is, how do you compare multiple videos and their performance in the first 24 hours of the video's life after publication? Well, YouTube actually has a helpful tool to help you compare. So what you need to do is go into your YouTube studio and go to Analytics. From your channel Analytics, click on Advanced Mode, then click on Compare To, and go down to First 24-Hour Video Performance. And here you'll see comparison of your top performing in the purple and your bottom performing videos based on the metrics that you select. In this situation, it's views by video. You can compare average percentage viewed, average view duration, watch time, likes, dislikes. Going back to views or any of the metrics, we can scroll down and see once again the top performing videos and the bottom performing videos, along with the additional metrics, which will help you understand which videos performed best. Let's talk a little bit about why this is so important. When you compare multiple videos during that all precious first 24 hours after publication, you can really gain insight into what your audience really likes. But you can also dig deeper and see how hard YouTube is working for you based on different topics in terms of impressions, but also click-through rate. Which of your headlines and thumbnails seem to get the best click-through rates from your audience? That first 24 hours really is your core audience telling you what works and what does not. If you'd like more information about individual videos and the first 24 hours, check out the next video.